Weather starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenens.
Welcome back, everybody, and today is the first day of winter, and boy, this will be a night for the record books, a night to remember here, as we've got temperatures already in some parts of the state getting colder than 30 below zero. Now, officially at the airport, 19 below, but some readings out in the valley a little further, down around 24 below already. McDonald Pass is down to 30 below zero. And Great Falls, look at that, 27 below already here. Some computer models earlier today were saying it only get down to 22, 24 degrees below zero for the overnight low here tonight. Computer models, meaning your app on your phone, really does not handle extreme cold Arctic air very well. We're likely headed down close to 40 below zero for Great Falls. Eventually Helena will catch up, but look at these temperatures already. 24 below in Bozeman, 20 below in Livingston, and Dillon, Cut Bank at 21 below, same with Havre. Lewistown, 25 degrees below zero. Bowman's Corner, Highway 200, 35 below already. That is without the wind. And you factor in the wind, and a 10-mile-an-hour wind takes off about 20 degrees as far as the wind chill goes when the temperatures are this cold. 51 below in Cut Bank, 51 below right now in Glasgow, and again, Malta, 72 below wind chill value earlier today. I cannot rule out another 70, 72 below zero wind chill value through tonight, especially eastern Montana. The western part of the state will not have much wind. The wind will really calm down as the Arctic high pressure sets up right over here. So some of those sheltered valleys closer to the Continental Divide could get really, really cold. The actual air temperatures will be a little warmer in eastern Montana, but there will be stronger wind, so the wind chills likely will be almost pretty much the same across the state here. And then getting into tomorrow afternoon, we're still 30, 40, 45 below zero. So the wind chill warning continues. Southeastern Montana, but blizzard warning between Baker and Ekalaka. The road is closed, and also south of the Judith Gap area, the road is closed because of blowing snow and just severe traveling conditions. That was a good little snow that came through last night. A lot of areas picking up several inches to about a half a foot. There goes the snow out into the center part of the country here. Blizzard warning, winter storm warning. Winter storm watch, lake effect snow watch here. Then we've got wind chill advisories, wind chill warnings, flooding and high wind up into the northeast here. Wow, most of the country will be going through it over the next several days. Here's the long-range computer model, wide range here. Skies clearing out, that's another ingredient that will allow for optimal radiational cooling conditions here tonight. Also, the fact that the front went through already and the humidity has kind of been drying up just a little bit just sets us up for a really, really cold night here. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, still a little wind out in eastern Montana. Some clouds coming in late. Pacific moisture with Pacific air running into the Arctic air here, and we likely will have a little light snow coming through the state here on Friday. Accumulation will be minimal here. Saturday, we're partly to mostly cloudy and starting to get warmer, with the exception of northeast Montana. And yeah, even some raindrops here as we get into Saturday night. Sunday, a couple of snow showers coming through, a little snow up in northeast Montana for Christmas Day. And then after that, Monday could even be warmer. How does 52 sound for Great Falls? 40s for the Helena area. Maybe a couple of showers here west of the divide. Tuesday night into Wednesday, a little system coming through, but it favors precipitation west of the divide. Most of next week will be mild and windy without a lot of precipitation, so a big change from what we'll be looking at here tonight. Again, the Arctic high pressure setting up right over the west central part of the state here, and that will just allow for optimal cooling conditions. Just about everybody waking up 30 to 40 below zero tomorrow morning, with wind chills maybe 50, 60, 70 below. Tomorrow, sunny, brutally cold start. It still is really cold tomorrow. Highs generally 10 to 20 degrees below zero. More wind at eastern Montana. Here comes the warmer air for Friday. How much warmer? Single digits and teens above zero. Northeast Montana holding on to the cold the longest here, even into Saturday, but at least we're 2 above in Glasgow. Christmas Eve, 40 in Great Falls. Christmas came early with the warmth, and then actually on Christmas Day, 30s and 40s. We will have some wind and a chance for a little snow weighing up in the northeast part of the state here, but a lot of this weekend and next week will be warmer.